read an interview somewhere जहाँ पे Rakesh ji said कि he is superstitious. Hrithik Roshan, Yami Gautam, are you superstitious?
Once in a while, I might do something that is on the lines of superstition, but in a very mild way.
Like?
But I don't think I am.
नहीं?
No, I don't think I am. Like for instance, you know, before we take a flight, there's a tradition in the family that before you take a flight, my grandmother used to feed us dahi and shakkar. Dahi and shakkar. Now, I am not superstitious, but if I don't have the dahi and shakkar and exit my house, I'll stop. You know that I've not had it.
Dahi shakkar.
And I feel something bad will happen because I've not. So, you know, some places I am a little
you believe in that. You would just.
I think because that's anchored. That's anchored in me
हाँ.
since my childhood. So, few things, but I'm not superstitious like this.
Otherwise, okay, Yami.
The only thing I think I've been a little superstitious about, even while signing the film, I didn't tell anybody, of course, except my mom and my family, that I've something like this, the talks are on. I'm a little superstitious about it. I think till the time things are not finalized as something as special as Kaabil, I didn't tell anyone. So, yeah, till the time things
actually
paper, but actually on the lighter side, yeah. But on lighter side, no. In fact, I've been one of those, I remember in college, Kali Billy Rasta kaat gayi thi ka. I said, what? And everybody stopped. I said, I just walked through. And
a lot of people have like, Kali Billy at home as pets.
And I'm just saying, for example, the most common ones.
Right.
So I'm like, no, not
But
really.
we're not like the you know, if the day I wear a red T-shirt, something bad happens.
No.
That is, I think, ridiculous.
Yeah, that's a bit much. We wear red lipstick all the time. Yami, how was it to dance with Hrithik Roshan?
It's an experience I'll always cherish, relish and remember and treasure for life. Dancing. And, you know, I used to hear it often, never seen you dancing and etc. etc. I made a debut with Hrithik Roshan.
और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? Seriously, it's like in your face.
And मैं ये भी बोल दूँ कि इस गाने में एक ऐसा step है where I have copied her. And she knows that. Because I told her that, Yami, what you're doing is looking better. You know, there's one step where it's in the promo also. There's one step we are far away and we come towards the camera. And it's a sideways step which we do like this and with the legs and the hands and skip and come towards the camera. So that step, I have done exactly what she was doing on set because it was looking better.
Guess
So
what? All sleepless
I rest
nights.
my case. Huh?
That's
like
Hrithik
Dhanil.
Roshan for you. He's
Happy.
just...
No, fact taking. True, na? Yeah, it's true.
That's because I have practiced so much, every possible thing.
बेचारी थी pressure में थी that she actually did everything.
But let me tell you, and it's, you know, we can just go on and on.